This is a public service announcement. To solve this problem, you should be using your notes, specifically pages 10 for ordering rational numbers. And if you have forgotten or are uncomfortable with how to divide fractions to get decimals, check out page 7 to review fraction to decimal operations. Okay, you can also be using your throw-up sheet. The front page with the measurements has your number line to help you remember how to order on a number line. And the back page with the formulas has your benchmark fractions and percents to check and your processes from how to go to fraction to decimal and percent to decimal. Okay, number 4 says put the colors in order from greatest to least. Okay, remember to mark those keywords anytime you see them. And then type your answer in by typing only the first letter of each color. Example, if they were in order, you would do R because red, B for blue, Y for yellow, G for green, and O for orange. All right, to put them in order, your first step should be convert each of those fractions to decimals. All right, if you only have fractions and you remember how to use common denominators, go for it. But if you don't, convert them all to decimals, and you should do this anyways to check. After you convert them to decimals, you need to compare them vertically. Okay, to convert fractions to decimals, remember you need to divide because fractions are tiny little division problems. You need to divide the numerator inside the house divided by the denominator. So we all know what 1/2 is, usually. So if we take 1/2 and convert it to a decimal, we're going to do the numerator 1 divided by the denominator 2. Okay, and this is how we get a decimal because typically 2 does not go into 1. Okay, so I'm going to add that 0. Can 2 go into 10? Yep, 5 times exactly. So 1/2 is equivalent to 0.5 or 5/10. Okay, and when you get all of your decimals, we're going to order them vertically. So I'm going to compare 0.5 to the rest of them. And if I had one like 0.52 or 0.6, all right, you need to go from order from left to right, okay? Our 10th place is the first one that we have numbers in, and I have 2 5s and a 6, okay? 6 is greater than 5, so that's how I know that this one is greatest. Okay, and then I'll move on. This one has nothing. If you have a blank, when you order them vertically, you can fill it in with a 0. Because this one has a 2 that's greater than 0. Okay, so 0.52 is greater than 0.5, but not than 0.6. Okay. You need to put all of your decimals vertically, either in a place value chart or just line them up and down, and then go from left to right to compare each place value.